Here are 4 sound effects you should be using to make your videos more cinematic. Risers. Risers build anticipation, and they're perfect for creating tension. Hits. Hits add impact and emphasis to important moments. Ambience. Now, ambient sound effects, they create atmosphere. They immerse the viewer into the environment you're creating. Wooshes. Whoosh sound effects. Don't overuse them, but they're great for creating movement, energy to your transitions. So the next time you're creating a video, try using these 4 sound effects to make your video more cinematic. If this is helpful, be sure to follow.